Hi, let's begin with the introduction. Here is the first chord, and you'll have the E major composed of the B, the E, and the G sharp, and the bass note of E. Next, the E sus2 composed of the B, the E, and the F sharp, and the bass note of E. And eventually, the B major composed of the B, the D sharp, and the F sharp, and the bass note of B. And I will teach you 3 ways to play this song. So first of all, I suggest that you press and play these chords like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So on 1, bass and chord. On 2, you play the chord alone, and you repeat the process on the 3 and the 4. 3, 4. Which would give you this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you could also play these chords using arpeggios, and you will need a new chart for that. And this time you will play like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 for the indicated number of beats. And it will give you this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can get even closer to the original song, and to do that, let me display a readapted chart, and this time it will play the notes of B and G sharp 6 times with the bass note of E. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then the B and the F sharp notes twice, and then the B and the D sharp 8 times with the bass note of B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The entire chart should sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And as you saw, you will play one of these 3 charts twice in a row in order to complete the introduction. You will then move on to the chorus, and you choose between either the first playing method with the pressed chords.
Baby, calm down, girl, this your body, put in my heart for lockdown, oh lockdown. Girl, you're sweet like Fanta. If I tell you, say I love you, no day for me, young girl, oh young girl. No, tell me no, oh.
And you repeat this chart for the next section.
No, tell me no, oh. Baby, come give me a lo. You got me like whoa. Shawty, come give me a lo.
Or you choose the arpeggio method. Let me display the chart number 2, and I will sing from the beginning.
Baby, calm down, girl, this your body, put in my heart for lockdown, oh lockdown. Girl, you're sweet like Fanta. If I tell you, say I love you, no day for me, young girl, oh young girl. No, tell me no, oh.
Or you can also use the third chart with a playing style that was closer to the vibe of the original song, and I will resume with the singing.
Baby, calm down, girl, this your body, put in my heart for lockdown, oh lockdown. Girl, you're sweet like Fanta. If I tell you, say I love you, no day for me, young girl, oh young girl. No, tell me no, oh.
So you will need to play this chart 2 more times, so 4 times in total to complete the chorus. I believe you already understood it, but you will be able to play the entire song with those charts. I will display the chart number 1 and sing an excerpt of the next verse.
I see this fine girl for my party, she wear yellow. Every other girl that I do too much, but this girl mellow. Now I'm in a fine situation, I could use the mellow. Finally I found where try to talk to the girl, but she don't want to follow. Na, 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 na.
And you repeat this chord 2 more times, so 4 times in total to complete the verse. So feel free to choose your preferred playing method and just repeat these charts as many times as you need before finishing this song with the B major chord. I wish you good luck for this song, and I will see you very soon for the next one.